Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Lemon8 for aesthetic content creation. So I will just tap on it on the App Store and I will be just recently download this application and make sure you will have logged in, and here you will see this is the For You page. So you will just explore the trend and you will just check the For You and the following tab inspiration from the top creators. But right now I will just simply create a new account, so I will be just no one see in the top rated creators. So you will be just use on your like profile from right over here, and you will be just use clear background and natural lighting and consistent filters for a comprehensive feed. And you will be just engaging captions hashtags to engage your profile, and you will be just post consistently and stay active by posting at least 3 to 5 times per week to keep your audience engaged. So in this way you will be just create the athletics content creation right over here. So again I will just tell you that I will just recently create it, so that's why I will be just, you see there's only a few of like uh top creators. So that's it. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified